You need to watch this if you've ever stared at a train and thought, how does that thing even work? Let's make trains make sense. Alright, think of a train engine as a super strong muscle. Inside, there's usually a giant diesel engine. But here's the twist, it doesn't turn the wheels directly. Instead, the engine makes electricity. That electricity powers electric motors on the wheels, and that's what actually makes the train move. Why do it this way? Because electric motors give trains massive pulling power, perfect for hauling heavy loads across long distances. And those metal wheels? They roll on metal tracks with barely any friction, so even a huge train glides along smoothly. The driver controls speed and braking from the cab, making sure everything stays safe and steady. So next time you see a train, remember, it's not just an engine up front, it's a rolling science experiment on rails. Now you know the secret behind train engines. All aboard for more awesome facts. Follow for more.